go to San Kishi, right? Going to Walmart. All kind of stuff, everything. I'm gonna show you what my husband bought. I will be sharing with you today another travel vlog. I will share the food, the room tour, and the fun stuff that we do for the first day. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. And my husband and I, we just arrived at Panama City Beach. And we are staying Holiday Inn Resort. And my husband and I will be here in Panama City Beach for 5 days. Thought we will take a break, enjoy the summer before the school starts. So I'll show you real quick the room tour. Let's go. View from the outside. This is what you will see right outside your door. And we are staying at 882. And this door is noise cancelling. So as soon as you walk in, to your right, you will see the bathroom, the sliding door. And what I'm loving is they changed the soap, the body wash, shampoo and conditioner. They're using Dove now, which is amazing because we are using Dove at home. And it is nice because the other one, it will dry out your hair so bad. And this is your mirror with the built-in light behind your mirror. So it's really nice when you're getting ready. And this is the towel. Then to your left side, as soon as you walk in, you will see this another mirror with built-in light. You can have your luggage or your storage, got trash can, and you can also get ready here when you are ready to go out. So we're about to go out. Actually, my husband is hungry and I'm gonna give you a super quick room tour and your typical closet with extra bedding and hangers. And then you have your full fridge. And this is the only drinks that we brought with us. We'll probably have to go to Target later on to grab more water. We also brought some chair because, as mentioned, we will be here for 5 days and it's cheaper to bring your own chair than to rent out the one for all day. And then I can't swim, but I have the floaty, and this one I got it in Clearwater Beach. We bought that. It's like a sand mat. And then you have to your left side, you have your Keurig coffee maker and your microwave and your light. And then you have your ice bucket. I love that. This is so modern. If you really feel like you are in a beach vacation. I love the white and black interior with a little bit of turquoise, look like a beach water here. Color is super nice compared to the old one. If you haven't watched that, check out my very first Holiday Inn room tour. It's totally different, and the bed frame is so much better. It's nicer to look at. I do like that accent chair. And then you have your full body mirror. So let's go to the outside. Look, as soon as we got here, it's actually 6 o'clock right now in the evening. There's still plenty of people at the beach. And if you stay on that side, you will have your view, it will be a sunset view. We're staying at the very end of this hotel resort, so our view is gonna be sunrise. And we're gonna go get some dinner now. I think we're gonna go to San Kishi, right? Yep. That is one of our favorite restaurants, if not #1. So let's go.
Every time we are here in PCB, my husband and I feel like this is our home away from home. We really love driving here even though it's a little bit far, but this is one of the closest beach that we can drive anytime there's a short vacation.
And we are here now. We are at San Kishi. Let's go and grab some my comfort food. I'll show you in a minute. I'm sure you already seen it because we always eat here every time we are down here in PCB. So let's go. There you go, guys. Last time we come here with my mother-in-law, this is also our first meal, right? Last time too. This is the place. We have to wait for someone to sit us. Someone is seated. We got a bunch of photos on the wall. You see, it's all over the wall.
I always order this clam soup. It's so good. It reminds me of my grandparents, and as well as this kama. It's so good, and my husband loves hibachi.
We are going to Walmart to grab some grocery, and it's right there. We're gonna get some chips. Let's see. We're gonna get Doritos. So we got some snacks. And then we got a bottle of water. Diet Coke for me, Coke for my husband. And that's what we're getting. We're about to check out now. So we got coconut water, chips, cookies, chocolate, ice cream, and egg. And they're busy. It's quite crowded here today, so we have self-checkout right there. We are done grocery shopping, and we got our stuff done, and we're gonna head to the hotel now, and we'll see what we're gonna end up doing the remaining
and we're gonna see how much we weigh after we're done with this vacation.
Yes, we're currently trying to lose weight, but I told my husband that we will worry about dieting and when we get back after the trip, but right now we will enjoy and have a good time for 5 days. Eat whatever we like, drink whatever we want, so we'll see.
I want to try to be okay.
Why? Oh, my husband wants to work out while we are here.
Yeah, to make sure that even if I eat too much, that it goes to muscle and get.
Yeah, he is more straight than I am, and he did well because he lost about
50 something.
Yeah, 54, 56 pounds. So
Before Lucas starts.
we are back in our car now. My husband said we have to hurry because of the dive-in movie is going to start at 8, right?
9.
At 9 o'clock. So I'm not gonna swim tonight, but I will probably swim tomorrow. So just hang out at the pool and then watch the movie. It's supposed to be, there's a movie gonna be playing, it's called Luca, right? So we are on our way back to the hotel. The Walmart is super close to the Holiday Inn Resort. You can probably walk, but I wouldn't suggest walking around here at night. Yeah, because you know, you get some creepy, sketchy area, so I wouldn't recommend walking.
We're almost to the hotel now, and that building across from the street, that is the Edgewater condos, and my husband and I dream that someday we'll be able to get a unit there. That will be in God willing time to give us that condo, and we will continue to dream and keep working hard.
So we are back at the hotel, and we use this cart to take our
Ice cream.
My husband is pretending that he's selling. We're at the elevator right now. And we are staying at the 8th floor. And my husband is right behind me. He's right there. We have to go back down after here. We're just going to drop off the grocery. So this is the view that you will see the front of our room. That's the view at night. And pretty nice. We are about to go back down to park the car. We left it downstairs at the main entrance, but the parking lot is across the street. Usually they have like a golf cart where after you park the car you can take a ride, free ride. You just have to give tip. It's up to you if you want to give. The other thing is we got free breakfast. The breakfast at this resort is quite expensive. It was $40-something for breakfast, and my husband is a what is it?
They call it diamond.
Oh, he's a diamond elite member for IHG, so he got breakfast for 2, so that saved us about almost 80, actually $100. We're gonna go get park the car now. Yeah. And stay tuned.
A few minutes later.
So we're going back down to park the car. So you have to go under the tunnel to park the car to go across the street. And then coming back, you're supposed to ride that golf cart right there, but it looks like he just went back, so we might ended up walking back to the hotel, and the hotel is right across the street, so it's not really bad. I mean, it's not far to walk. So we already parked the car. Yeah, and this is the drive-in movie right there. It looks so pretty at night, guys. That's the room, and we're staying right there. But we're not swimming tonight. It's just because we don't feel like it. And it's night time here. They have a game room as well, like the ping pong table, and the billiards are free. Open. So weird.
Just so we have animals here. But the official game here.
Later that night.
So my husband wanted to hit his goal for today, and we are going for a quick walk just to hit his goal for the day. And we're not gonna go too far because, you know, we want to make sure that we are safe. It's a nice day. It's not too hot. It's more like a chilly, right? Let's go and walk. Look, it's actually really pretty out here. We're just gonna walk along this road because it seems busy and there's so many lights, so it feels like it's safe. And my husband and I like to shop at Surf Style for souvenir or for ourselves. Really, we like buying PCB t-shirt. So across the hotel you got the Burger King, And then you can cross the street. There's a bunch of restaurants. One of our favorite restaurants is just across the street. It's called Firefly. You guys should try it out. It's really good. So we're gonna, my husband wants to go to Surf Style to check if there are t-shirts, a souvenir t-shirt that he likes.
So maybe it's gonna turn that.
So
Maybe turn that.
we're gonna go to Surf Style to shop.
There you go.
Cross the road.
We have it right there.
Say thank you. Playing the song.
Now they're playing.
And we are here inside. They had all the stuff you need. Souvenir t-shirt, hats, all kind of stuff. Everything. Pretty much everything, they have it here. Anything about home decor and souvenir t-shirts. They have mugs. My husband liked this kind of t-shirt, but it has to be, he already have one of this shirt. Yeah. You have those already.
I don't have a large.
Yeah. We are done shopping. Actually, my husband shopped for himself. He bought quite a few of items from Surf Style. He deserves it because he works so hard to lose weight, and he does need new clothes. So
I'm gonna gain it all back on this vacation.
no, I don't think so. So we're almost at the hotel. It's super close to the shopping, the Surf Style. So guys, I'm gonna show you what my husband bought. Already back at the hotel, by the way, and hopefully the aircon is not too loud. So he got this shirt. He likes that the shark skeleton, and he has a white shirt that with lobster in the back. So it's t-shirts, and then it's actually buy 3 get 1 free. So this is the third one. This is his favorite color. So, and this one is the alligator. And then last t-shirt is this navy, and let's see, it's the bone of the fish, and the same thing at the back. And he normally wear a size XXL, so 2X. Now he can wear large. And for his short, he normally wear used to be 42 on the waist, but now he can wear large or size 34. So he got 2 pair of swimsuit because his old one is too big, so he went ahead and bought a new one. And that's all he bought for himself. Today I kind of shopped for myself, but really like what I saw at the Surf Style. And yeah, so I didn't grab anything. Maybe we'll see later on, maybe tomorrow or the following days. Maybe we'll go to a different store and maybe I'll find something for myself. And follow along for the day 2, and we'll see what we're gonna end up doing tomorrow. We are, I think, planning to use the free unlimited breakfast, like the buffet breakfast tomorrow. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I will highly appreciate it. And thank you for watching. See you on